Today I'm tying a feather duster variation. The hook is an Irex FW531 in a size 14. Build a thread base at the front third of the hook. To create the eyes, we burn both ends of 15-pound mono. Originally designed to imitate Callibaetis mayflies, this pattern has become a go-to in lakes and slow-moving waters. Using the tweezer, secure the eyes in place just behind the eye of the hook. Now advance your thread to around the bend of the hook. This is a soft tackle style mayfly pattern created by Wally Eagle in the 1970s, but was popularized by legendary Montana guide Craig Matthews in the early 1980s. To create the tails, I'm using the tips of 3 natural gray ostrich barbs, secure in place. Tie forward and run the thread back over the excess fibers so they face rearward. Secure a strand of small copper wire in place. Now add a barb of ginger ostrich to add color variation. The beauty of the feather duster is its versatility. Change the size, tweak the color, and you've got a deadly match for a wide range of mayflies. Now twist the ostrich barbs and spiral wrap the cord forward to just ahead of the halfway point behind the eye. Secure in place. Cut away the waste. Using a dubbing brush, brush the fibers to unleash any trapped fibers. With open turns, run the wire forward to the front of the abdomen. Roughly 8 turns. Be sure to rock the wire back and forth to help prevent some of the barbules from being trapped under the wire. Secure in place and cut away the excess. Callibaetis are widespread across the western United States, but you'll also find them in the northeast, parts of Canada, and pretty much anywhere with healthy stillwater habitats. To create the wing pad and head, I'll use a clump of golden pheasant tail barbs. These fibers are modeled nicely. Secure in place where the abdomen ends. Next, for the thorax, I'm going to use 3 natural gray and 1 ginger ostrich barbs. Strip the butt ends and tie in by the butt end. Twist the barbs and wind to behind the eyes. The original feather duster was tied using fibers from, yes, a feather duster. Secure in place and cut away the excess. Prep a feather which will be used for the legs. I'm using a soft wing feather from the front wing of a partridge. Secure in place. The best way to prep the feather is pull away the fluff on the butt end and isolate the tip. Using a hackle plier, wrap the feather. Secure in place. And cut away the excess. Now fold the golden pheasant clump forward to create the well-defined wing pads the Callibaetis possesses. Secure in place just behind the hook eye. Move the bobbin to just behind the eyes. Fold the golden pheasant clump rearward to just behind the eyes. This helps create a well-defined head. Apply a little super glue to the thread and whip finish. Pull the thread tight, cut away the waste and the bobbin. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.